Hello, hello, hello. I am Carrie Knopf, your host. And like I said, we had a lot of rain and a lot of wind and a lot of flooding. It is February the 20th, 2022 Sunday. And I can't get any closer than that because that's the flood water. And that's where I would usually go, but that part is flooded. But you got some ducks on the ice here a little bit. Here, got some ducks on the ice on the edge here, and some of them swimming today. This will be my February video, and then we'll go back to January. But yeah, that's all flooded. Yeah, they seem to be out there on the ice over here. It's not too bad. It's very, very nice. It's nice and breezy here. But yeah, that's the highway. Yeah, it's a little bit breezy now, so I'll be quiet. But yeah, they have like a whole bunch of ducks here today. Partial and whatnot. You got some down there today over here. Part of the Grand River, and that's the pole that you can see up there that's flooded out. Past each other here, but I just thought I would come on and show everybody. I am Carrie Knopf, your host, and I will see everybody next time. Bye-bye. Oh man, I just stepped in duck poop. Oh well, it's worth it. And I will see everybody next time. Bye-bye.